We're going to need aubergines, tomatoes, salt and pepper, fresh garlic, mayonnaise and some grated cheddar cheese. Cut your aubergine into nice discs and try and make them as thin as possible. We're going to do the same with our tomato. In a bowl, add your minced garlic, add your mayonnaise, salt and pepper, mix it all together. Add a little bit of oil into your pan. Add your aubergines into the pan and we're going to cook them for a couple of minutes on each side. I have prepared a baking dish with some foil paper. We are going to place our aubergines there. While your pan is still hot, we're going to add our tomatoes. We're literally going to cook them for a few seconds, just turn them around and just be very gentle because they're thin and fragile. Once everything is cooked, we're going to add a little bit of our mayo garlic mixture in the middle and spread it around. Then add your tomato, aubergine, more of that mixture, and just repeat until you have your tower.